Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can split a table horizontally in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Sometimes when you have a long table, it can be useful to split it into two smaller sections side by side, so you can compare data more easily. Here's how you can do it. First, copy the part of the table that you want to move to the right. Select the rows, press Ctrl+C, then click the cell where you want the new section to begin, and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Next, adjust the column widths so both sections are visible without overlapping. If you'd like to keep the formatting consistent, you can use the Format Painter on the Home tab to copy the style from the original table. Finally, you may want to freeze panes or use the Split Window feature under the View tab. This helps you scroll both parts independently while keeping headers visible. Now your single table is split horizontally into two smaller tables, making it easier to read and analyze side by side. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.